Introduction: How to maintain men's health. Maintaining men's health is essential for a long and fulfilling life. With the right lifestyle habits and preventive care, men can reduce their risk of chronic diseases and maintain optimal physical, mental, and emotional well-being. A healthy diet, regular exercise, stress management, adequate sleep, and avoiding unhealthy behaviors are some of the key strategies for maintaining men's health. In this way, men can enjoy good health throughout their lives and lead a fulfilling and satisfying life. Exercises for men to keep himself healthy. Cardiovascular exercise. Engage in regular cardiovascular exercise such as running, cycling, swimming, or brisk walking for at least 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week. This will help improve heart health and strengthen the lungs. Strength training. Incorporate strength training exercises into your workout routine to build muscle and improve bone density. Examples include weightlifting, push-ups, pull-ups, and squats. Stretching. Stretching exercises can help improve flexibility, balance, and range of motion, which can reduce the risk of injury. Incorporate stretches into your daily routine or before and after exercise. Yoga. Practicing yoga can help improve flexibility, balance, and strength, while reducing stress and promoting relaxation. This type of training can help improve cardiovascular health, burn fat, and build muscle. Swimming. Swimming is a low-impact exercise that can help improve cardiovascular health, build muscle, and reduce stress. Cycling. Cycling is a great way to improve cardiovascular health, build leg muscle, and burn calories. You can cycle outdoors or use a stationary bike at home or the gym. Walking. Walking is a simple, low-impact exercise that can help improve cardiovascular health, reduce stress, and promote weight loss. Martial arts. Martial arts such as karate, judo, and taekwondo can help improve strength, flexibility, and coordination while also promoting discipline and focus. Team sports. Joining a team sport such as basketball, soccer, or baseball can provide social interaction, improve cardiovascular health, and help build muscle and coordination. Ways to keep men's mental health is healthy. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is essential for good mental health. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. Practice stress management techniques. Techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or yoga can help reduce stress and promote relaxation. Stay active. Practice gratitude. Focusing on the things you're grateful for can help boost mood and reduce negative thinking. Seek professional help. Don't hesitate to seek help from a mental health professional if you're struggling with your mental health. Limit alcohol and drug use. Substance abuse can have a negative impact on mental health, so it's important to limit alcohol and drug use. Take breaks. Make sure to take regular breaks from work or other stressful activities to relax and recharge. Engage in hobbies or activities you enjoy. Engaging in hobbies or activities you enjoy can help boost mood and reduce stress. Practice self-care. Taking care of yourself physically, mentally, and emotionally is important for good mental health. Make sure to prioritize self-care activities like eating healthy, getting regular exercise, and taking time to relax and recharge. Yoga for men. There are many different types of yoga that can be beneficial for men. It's important to remember that yoga is a personal practice, and what works for one person may not work for another. It's always a good idea to work with a qualified yoga teacher to develop a practice that is safe and effective for your individual needs and abilities. What are the healthy eating for men? Eat a balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrient-dense foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Choose lean sources of protein, such as chicken, fish, turkey, beans, and legumes, to help build and maintain muscle mass. Incorporate heart-healthy fats, such as those found in avocados, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish, to help support brain and heart health. Consume fiber-rich foods, such as vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and legumes, to help promote digestive health and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Limit processed foods and added sugars, which can contribute to inflammation, weight gain, and other health problems. Drink plenty of water to stay hydrated, and limit sugary drinks like soda and energy drinks. Eat a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables to ensure you're getting a range of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Choose whole grains, such as brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread, to provide sustained energy and keep you feeling full. Avoid excessive alcohol consumption, which can lead to weight gain, liver damage, and other health issues. Plan ahead and prepare healthy meals and snacks to avoid relying on fast food or vending machine options. Summary: men's health encompasses a wide range of physical, mental, and emotional well-being issues that affect men throughout their lives. Some of the most common health concerns for men include heart disease, prostate cancer, depression, and obesity. To promote good health, men should adopt healthy lifestyle habits that include a balanced diet, regular physical activity, stress management, and adequate sleep. In addition, it is important for men to receive regular preventive health screenings, such as blood pressure checks, cholesterol tests, and prostate exams, to identify and treat health problems early. By taking an active role in their health, men can reduce their risk of developing chronic diseases and enjoy optimal health and well-being throughout their lives. To promote good health, men should adopt healthy lifestyle habits that include a balanced diet, regular physical activity, stress management, and adequate sleep. In addition, it is important for men to receive regular preventive health screenings, such as blood pressure checks, cholesterol tests, and prostate exams, to identify and treat health problems early. By taking an active role in their health, men can reduce their risk of developing chronic diseases and enjoy optimal health and well-being throughout their lives. Medical information disclaimer. This video contains general medical information. The information in this video is only for educational purposes. The medical information is not advice and should not be treated as such. You must not rely on the information in our videos as an alternative to medical advice from your doctor or other professional healthcare provider. My channel Health Tips by Shah Ji provides valuable information on how to stay healthy and fit. You can learn about the latest health trends and tips to help you stay healthy. Health Tips by Shah Ji is the perfect resource for anyone looking to improve their overall health and well-being.